In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use headers and footers. If you've ever wanted your document title, page numbers, or a date to appear consistently at the top or bottom of every page, headers and footers are exactly what you need. They help your work look polished, professional, and easy to navigate. Let's start with the fastest approach. Move your mouse to the very top margin of your page and double-click. You'll see the header area open up, usually indicated by a faint boundary and slightly dimmed main text. Now you can type whatever you want to repeat across pages. A report title, your organization name, or the date. Use your usual formatting tools to change the font, size, or color. If you want the text centered, use the alignment controls. To add something to the bottom of the page instead, simply scroll down and double-click the bottom margin to open the footer area. A quick tip here, keep headers and footers short and clear. They should guide your reader, not distract them. When you are done editing, click back into the body of the document or press Escape to return to normal editing. Your header and footer content will now appear on every page by default. If you prefer using the menu, here is a straightforward way to insert these elements through the interface. Go to the Insert menu, choose Headers and Footers, and then pick either header or footer depending on where you want your content to go. Your document will switch into the appropriate editing area, and from there, you can type and format just as you would in the main text. This method is especially helpful if you like to be precise about where you are working or if double-clicking doesn't respond the way you expect. When you finish, click back into the document body to continue writing. A couple of helpful notes as you work. By default, headers and footers repeat on every page, which is ideal for multi-page documents. If you are preparing formal work, consider putting the document title or chapter name in the header and page numbers in the footer for a clean, consistent layout. Also, keep an eye on spacing. If your header or footer looks cramped, adjust your margins so everything has room to breathe. That's all there is to it. You can double-click the page margins to jump right into editing, or use Insert, then Headers and Footers to add a header or footer from the menu. Thanks for watching.